A parameter in Tableau is a placeholder for a global value which can be used by viewers of your data vizzes to let them have some control on what the viz is displaying. Parameters can be numbers, that's what we're using in this video, or dates, or even strings of text. By global, I mean the parameter can control or change every view or calculation that depends on the parameter in some way. When a viewer changes the value of the parameter, every chart and calculation on a dashboard, for example, will be updated to reflect the new view. We're going to create a simple floating point parameter. And to do that, we go to, on our worksheet, we're going to go up to the top here and click on the drop down and click on Create Parameter. And we're going to just give it a name. I'm just going to call it here ratio. And we can select the type. I want it to be floating point, which means something with a decimal. And the current value, we're going to set to 0.15 and leave the initial value to be current value. We want to format it as a percentage, and I'll leave 2 decimal places. So that's okay. And then we have another option here we're not going to use. We can set a list of values. For example, if you were doing a string names or a range of values, we're just going to set this up this way for now and click OK. So we have our parameter added down to the bottom here. You can see it's a green pill, which means it's continuous, and we'll use that a bit later.